Hello guys, the day has finally come. Today I am getting rid of my E36. It will be sold now, and I think I will get a new project pretty soon. I only have the E46, which you see right here. So I think I will buy a new project pretty soon. I don't know what. I kind of want like E36 coupe or maybe cabriolet. I don't know what I want. Actually, I've been looking into like Mazda MX-5 Miatas lately also. Let's get down to the action. Let's go to where the E36 is and see how it is today. And maybe it's less snow there now. I don't know. Hopefully we will get it out today, so the guy who wants to buy the car can buy the car today. So it's really icy outside on the road. Oh, yeah, so let's go. Let's see how the E36 is doing. Okay, we are here. The E36 is right here, as you can see. So the trick now is it's really bad conditions. It's really slippery. It's seriously ice. So I need to shovel that snow so we can pull it backwards. Whew, I'm just tired. The idea of it, all this snow, it's probably very heavy. It's sad, but then again it's also like good, because then I can buy a new project, because I don't want to have 3 cars. So I have been waiting. I found a lot of cars I do want, but since I have this now, I can't buy another one. So as soon as I sell this, maybe I'll buy a new project, or maybe I probably will, but I don't know when. But I want a new car. The E46 is nice, but I want something new. I really wanted this car to be mine for a long time, because like it's a 323, it's a big engine, and E36, they're awesome, pretty cool. So it's sad. I really wanted this car to work. Nå får langlyset også. Ja, vent. Hva skjer? Takk. Åja, er det spylevæska som går?
Ja, og så hendene heng.
Hæ?
Knakk.
Knakk hendene?
Ja, du får holde det jævlig.
Dytt opp ruta da.
Klikket noe jævlig det der.
Er det mulig?
Ja, du må... Der. Nei, det bare...
Ja, hva kommer du dem med?
Nei, det er at ruta går i rattet.
Åja, gjør den det?
Ja.
Åja, der ser jeg det. Den har gått litt ned, den. Se der, du. Det var bra. There it goes. We got it out. That was really nice. To be honest, I actually thought that we were gonna have trouble with getting the car out, but we didn't. So that was nice. Oh fuck! We got the car out. Nice. It's a bit sad, but it's what it is. So slippery, seriously. It's icy. It's time to get it on the this. Brekket. Sånn.
Litt fram, eller?
Det er litt å gå på. Sånn ja, det er sikkert fint. Ja, gud.
Skru nå, for den hadde helt klikket fullstendig.
Knekking og...
Få knust det.
Fytte.
Ratet må bruke BQ-en uansett.
Ja, du må det. Well, there it goes. That's the E36. Kind of sad to see it leave, but well, another chapter, another lesson learned, you can say. It was a fun chapter until the crash, but yeah. So I had it for 4 or 5 weeks, not long. I'm embarrassed that I only had it for a short period of time. Now it's time for a new project, so let's see what we're gonna buy. I don't know yet, but it'll be fun. Until then, I do have my E46, so that's nice. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching this episode. I really hope you liked it, or maybe not liked it because it's a sad episode about the E36 leaving, but another chapter ended and a new one soon to begin. And yeah, I hope you like my content. Feel free to like the video if you like the video. It really supports me and gives me motivation to continue doing this. So yeah, have a good day. Bye. Hey, what's up everybody? Today I have some good news for you, and that is this. It's my recently purchased BMW E36 325.